Oh, okay, good morning, everyone. How are you today? Good. I hope you guys feeling well today because today it's just raining and there's a very bad weather today. Today is really heavy rain, yeah. How are you? Hope you guys doing great, yeah. How are you guys? Is everything good? Is everything great? Is everything bad? Okay, okay. What about you? What about you? I hope you're not. I hope you're not. Um. I hope. I hope my lesson later on will bring the cheer up again because today we will play a very short game. Yeah, a very short game with of course with Kahoot. So before we start today's lesson, we will play a very short game. Why is very short? Because it's really easy. You will answer some question about charity shop based on the text. SMP Merdeka shop, you may open your book if you don't remember about the story. Okay? To make it easy, yeah. Remember, this is just a Kahoot game. It will be fast, so you don't have to worry about the score later on. So we will play a game to have some fun before we start the lesson today. Okay? Okay, let's start the game first. Okay, you may open your device. You may use handphone or laptop. You will get the pin later. Yeah, you will access the game here. Wait. Okay, let's start the game. We will have some fun. Yeah, here to warming up the situation here. So there's no bad mood or anything like that. So we will cheer up again with Kahoot. Okay. Is everyone already joined? Okay. Is everyone joined? Let's start the game then. Ooh, there's a lot. Okay, let's start. What is Merdeka Friday Shop? Is it a sports store? Is it a sports store? Yes, student charity shop. Correct. Next. There's no sound here. Okay, next. When does the shop open? 10? Correct. Whoa. What's the first score? What's the first position is that? Oh, which item may student donate? What fruits? No. Shoes and stationery. Let's submit it. Okay, correct. Which items are not accepted in charity shops? Expired books? Expired food? Oh, no, correct. Incorrect. Okay, again, come on. How long is the shop open? Read it again. Read the book. 1 hour, 2 hours, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. Next, where do all the profits go? Store expansion? Marketing? Good causes. Okay, correct. Which causes does the shop support? Food for Hungary, free wheelchairs, luxury gifts, overseas trips. Food for Hungary, and? Okay, for wheelchair, correct. Great job. For the very last question. Open the book again and read, yeah? The shop sells only a few new items. Is it true or false? False? False. Correct. Yay. So there's the final scoreboard. Congrats to Bruce. You're doing great. You're so fast. Okay. You all very good, yeah, at this. Okay. Okay, now let's continue to the lesson again. Okay, so can anyone tell me what kind of text we learned in the previous meeting? Is it narrative? No? Then what is it? Right, descriptive text. Excellent. So today we're going to learn how to organize information and write a descriptive text about charity shops. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify information from a charity shop text, understand the structured descriptive text, and also create your own descriptive text about charity shop. Okay? Okay, now let's take a look at this one. I open the Wakelet here. Please look at the screen here. Yes, this is a flyer called Garuda Village Charity Shops. Okay, and here I will show you how we can develop information from a flyer into a descriptive text. Okay, first, let's identify the title here. Right. The title here is called Garuda Village Charity Shop. Next, we will move to the identification part. So in this sections, you may scroll, yeah. There's a text below the flyer here. You may read here first, okay? You may read this. Okay. In this in the identification part, and in the identification part, uh, the sections we will introduce the charity shops generally. For example, Garuda Village Charity Shops is a community-based shop that sells donated items for charity purposes. And after that, we will write a description paragraph. So in here, in the description section, we will explain details such as what items are sold, the location, the activities, and the purpose of the charity shops. And then in the conclusion, we will close the text and give a final impression about the charity shops. So, okay, do you guys understand? No, not understand because it's really fast here. Okay, I want you guys to read it first. I want one person read the Garuda Villager the shop text. Does anyone want to volunteer? Yes, Chantika, may you read the text for us loud and clear? Thank you. Okay, from what Chantika explained, Chantika read about the Garuda Village charity shops, we can see here. First, is identification. What's in the identification again? Correct. Identification part is where the a section where we talk about general information about the charity shop itself. For example, in here you can see it started with Garuda Charity Shop is a community charity shop located in blah 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 blah, and then it tells you about the purpose um, of the shop here for helping people, and then they explain about the schedule, what time they will open. Yeah. In the identification, in the description paragraph, what in the description paragraph is? What do we explain in there? The details. Yes, detailed information such as what item are sold, what activities, what items they will accept, what items they will not accept, and then what program in the charity shops. And then after that, what we will do after that, we conclude. Yeah, we close the descriptive text with conclusion. Okay, correct. So what's in the conclusion again? Mm-hmm. Yes, for summarizing up the information before, from the introductions to descriptions, and yeah, yes, correct. To give a closing statement, gives a final impression about the charity shops. Okay, okay, so you guys already understand. So I want you to, okay, okay, so I think everyone already get it. Mm-hmm. So I will challenge you. So open the flyer again here. Yeah, open the flyer and the text here to be. So I want you to work in a group with your partner. I want you to identify where is the identification section, description sections, and also the conclusion sections. You will have like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, okay. Because we already discussed it before, but I want you to really understand which part is the identification, description, and conclusions, okay? 5 minutes. Work with your partners right next to you. Okay, yes. Let's start the lesson. Let's start the class. Okay, good job, everyone. Now let's discuss the answer together. Which sentence belongs to the identification part? Okay, correct. Why does it belong to the identification? Why you said that is the identifications? Good, because it shows uh, yeah, it shows introductions, introduces the topic generally. Okay. And what about the description section? Where is it? Which paragraph? Which sentence is it? The charity? Okay. Which part? The charity. Okay. The detailed information. Yeah. There are the charity shop sells many useful second hands. All items shop under 50K. Okay. Because okay. Why do you say that? Why you said that this sentence is the descriptions? Because they show details information, correct? And the conclusion is right. how they sum up the um how they sum up the what the topic, the charity shops, yeah, from the beginning to, and are what they do in the what programs. Yeah. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next. All right. So you guys already learned about how to identify the structure. What should we do in the to write the charity shops? What should we say on the identifications and introductions, descriptions, and in the conclusions. And now we will start to make our own dream charity shops. Okay, you may open the device again because we will use Padlet later on to upload uh the the task, the assessment. Okay, first I will explain it first. Yeah, first we will make a simple we'll make a simple outline. So there, so you're right. Your writing must consist of one identification paragraph, two description paragraph, and one conclusion paragraph. Okay. Okay. So here's the example. Yeah, class. This is my this is uh this is the example. So Magic Shop charity, you may add some media like picture, gift like this. Okay, be creative. It's okay actually. And then here's how you will make the outline. You will uh there you will write the title first, the title, then identification, and description two, and conclusions. Okay, you guys understand what to do? Okay. And then after you submit your outline, your friends will give you feedback. I want I want you to choose your one of your friends. You may choose the one who sits next to you, and you will give them feedbacks by commenting here. You may comment here. I will test it. Okay, it's working. So I want you to comment about your friend's outline here, like this. You will comment about the topic. Is it clear? What about the organization? Is it organized? Is it correct? What about I want you to give feedback about grammar and vocabulary too. Okay, is it appropriate? And also the last one, I want you to give feedback about their punctuations and spelling. Okay, you guys understand? Okay, you guys understand? Okay, if there's any question, please ask me. Okay, no one to ask, no one. Okay, okay, then I will ask you the question then. What do we do now? What should we do? Make outline. Okay, make outline. We will make outline about what? Yes, about our dream charity shop. How? On Padlet. Okay, what do we do? What should we write on there? Title, identification, two descriptions, and one conclusion. Correct. Where to upload it? Where should I? Yes, on Padlet. Correct. On Padlet. I will share the link, yeah. And after you submit, what will you do? Yes, give feedback. Give feedback to who? Your friends? Okay, your friends. Okay, okay. So everyone is understand. You may start the outlining. You may start your outlining, and good luck, everyone. So please don't hesitate to come and ask me directly about the outlining if you confused. Okay, I will give you 15 minutes. Is it okay? Or maybe 20? 15 to 20 minutes, okay. Because after that, you will revise. You will after the revising, you will write. You will after you get the revision from the your friends. After you get the feedback from friends, you will revise that later on. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's get started again. Okay. Okay. Is everyone already finished? Is everyone done? Is everyone already finished the outline and giving feedback to your friends? Okay. All right. Good. So you guys already finished the outline, yeah? So, okay, before we end today's lesson, like I said before, after you get after you get the feedback from your friends, you will uh revise the outline the draft before into the final versions of your charity shops of the text. So you will upload it here. I will share the different link later on. So there are two links. First one is for the draft for outlining, and this is for the final version after you get the feedback. Okay, upload your final version here on Padlet. Look at the title. I hope you're not get confused about the link. And after that, you will upload in here. You may add pictures like this, or maybe GIF like before. And then I will assess, and after that, I will assess your work based on the content, organization, grammar, vocabulary, and also mechanics such as spelling, punctuations, and so on. Okay, so you guys understand? What should we do? Right, we will upload the final version in here. Okay, after we get the revisions, I will make sure everyone get the feedback, yeah. So everyone will upload the new version, the final version in a proper way and appropriate. Okay, okay. Today, what do we learn today, everyone? Right, descriptive text, charity shops. Okay, what else? Identify. Okay. Okay, great. So it's it. So today we already learned about how to identify and organize information into descriptive text and make description text about our dream charity shops. Right, correct. You all did a very good job today. I already see the some of your works is already good. I see many things, many funny title there. It's really great, really creative. And yeah, well, thank you everyone for your participation. We will meet again in the next meeting, yeah. So okay, see you in the next meeting and don't forget to upload it in here, okay? Okay, thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you.